Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading, and I just wanted to go over our trades today. We had some poor market movement. We had a HotCom problem, so it did cost us a trade, but we finished trading at 9:30. Now this is bonds. Now we got into the room 15 minutes late because of a problem with Relay 4, which we were on HotCom. There really were no trade setups on bonds at all. This was after we left the room, and an aggressive trade, not that aggressive, but there's a break of the 15, retest of the 15, and a move down. Now it's with dual quants and a dark background bias, and this is a very, very lucrative trade. And like I said, it's coming right off the point of control, and that's what makes it a very tradable setup. This would have given us 8 ticks, which we should have taken out right at the pivot, and that would have been a $500 trade on 4 contracts at $31.50 a tick. If we scale out, which is what we do. So that's one trade. Now let's take a look at the 6E, where there was really nothing. We got into the room right here, and you can see we are getting these trades now, but we're long gone. There's the break of the 50, retracement to the 50, and the continuation. It's a small trade so far. The trade would have been with the quant line right here, but we're gone. Nothing to trade during the period of time that we were there. And the ES really did, there was just nothing. I mean, these are all the candles that formed since midnight, and there's just nothing here to trade. We got our 2 trades. Now we had 3 setups on crude. We had the break of the 50, retest of the 50, and the move up for 10. But now normally we would have been in the room at 8:31, and we would have been long. But the problem was that our HotCom didn't function. But what we had here was consolidation sideways. See the red line? That's resistance to the upside. Here's our channel support. Moved laterally. We took the trade down, and we went down 20 ticks. Then had the same thing. Consolidation, consolidation, and bang, down it went, and only went 6. But that was enough. You see, we have another trade here, but we're long out of the room. And we finished with 2 trades, if I could spell. Two winners. Crude, we made 20. That's 5 ticks on contract 1, 10 on contract 2, 15 on contract 3. It went 20. I took it out at 15. On crude plus 6, it went 5, and I took 2 out at 4. Net ticks were 36. Net equity was $430. The auto trader, we have no trade so far, and the auto trader's up and functioning and rocketing for us today, with the addition in the algorithm of order flow, of market profile, and the quantitative analysis of correlative markets. So it's going to take fewer trades, but the trades are going to come with a much higher degree of specificity. So the only trade in closing the room a little bit early that I kind of bemoan a little bit is this trade right here. But there's no way that you know this is going to happen a half an hour or 15 minutes after the room is closed. You can't look that far ahead. But that's a very, very nice trade. It's a little bit aggressive, but it's not that aggressive given the dual quants. Dual quants are very strong, and there's room from the entry to just eke out a first target before you hit that point of control. Now, we have to go to the right edge to see exactly where the trade was. And actually, the point of control was behind the trade. That's a beautiful trade. It's not only a retest of the modified 15, it's a retest of the point of control. The break, point of control, retest, point of control, down. We don't know what the slope of even though the 15 was yellow, up here, the slope could have been registering as red. We have order flow and momentum. You can see on multiple time frames, you see the candles outlined in red. And we have a chase dot right here, which tells us that we could have taken that trade on a yellow modified 15 anyway. So it was a nice setup. And it could have taken us from $400 to about $800 or $900. But I wish I had the crystal balls to see into the future on potential setups. We could have just as easily run into a loser and lost our money. So we haven't made like I said, we haven't made a video in a while, and it's just because we moved our office. And we had a very, very good week last week. We had 18 winners and 5 losers. That's 78% win percentage. A lot of the winners, the losers, were small losers. So we really encourage you to sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. I'm just going to quickly, I'm going to go to the website. Right here you can see our trading performance. We're up 27.62 for the month. Now up about 3,000 after today. Actually, I'm sorry. Well, Leo already put it in. We're up 3,192. We're going for that $5,000 mark for the month. You can see our auto trader results here and here. Click here for a free trial. And if you want our swing trader newsletter, it's now actually become our options newsletter. I do exceedingly well trading options using this system. And if you want a free trial to our options newsletter, you would just click here. Here's our video library and our contact us. Or you can call us toll free at 1-855-765-6681. Here, this is our order now page, which really gives a description of all the different products that we offer. And we really hope we'll see you in the trading room. I think the more time that you spend examining our system and see how effective it is, if you trade our system, with patience and discipline, you should really, really make money. And we had some very nice setups today, I'll tell you. And a few of them after we closed the market. So that's after we closed the room. So that's it for today. I hope everybody had a great day trading. And I look forward to seeing everybody in the trading room. So take care.